Hi, today we are here to show integration by substitution or U substitution.
U substitution is a method which is used to solve indefinite integrals.
To begin U substitution, you must define U and du. Now let's look at an example.
Here we will integrate the integral of 4x times x squared plus 5 to the 8th dx.
So the first step of U substitution is to define U. So for this problem, we will let U equal x squared plus 5. Next, we will differentiate U, so we get du over dx equals 2x, du equals 2x dx, and dx equals du over 2x.
Now we can substitute in u and du for x and dx. So we take u and du and replace x and dx. So now if we write this out, we get the integral of 4x times u to the 8th times du over 2x.
Now we can simplify by getting rid of this x and this x, and we know that 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, so we'll pull that constant out in front of the integral, so we get 2 times the integral of u to the 8th du. Oh, sorry, I meant 1/2. 1/2. Sorry, that was actually right. 2 times the integral of u to the 8th du. So now we integrate. Now we get 2 times u to the 9th over 9 plus c. So don't forget your constant of integration. Now finally, we will substitute in our u that we defined at the beginning again. So this u, again, will go right here. So for the finished product, we get 2 times x squared plus 5 to the 9th over 9 plus c.
Our next example will be the integral of 5 over 4x plus 3 dx. For this problem, we want to easier to solve. For that, we will make u equal 4x plus 3.
Now we will differentiate, so we get du over dx equals 4, then du equals 4 dx, and dx equals du over 4.
Now, like we did before, we will substitute u and du into the integral to get a simplified version of the integral. So we have the integral of 5 over u du over 4. Now we can pull out the constant, the coefficient of u, which is 5 over 4 times times the integral of 1 over u du. Now this is a familiar integral. We know that becomes 5 over 4 natural log of the absolute value of u plus c.
Finally, again, we will resubstitute in the u that we defined at the beginning. So for the n, we get 5 over 4 times ln natural log of 4x plus 3 plus c.
And that is how you do U substitution. Thanks for watching.